Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, fine.
It is good to hear fine from you all. You should be fine. You know, today I am going to teach you something very exciting, something very new. I have planned out. But I don't want to tell you the name of the topic. So I'm just going to give you some clues. And you need to guess what the topic can be. So I'm presenting my screen for that. This is my brain, and it is full of ideas. And the clues are tags and elements, sharing information, web page, hyperlinks, and web browser.
Ma'am,
Now,
may I guess?
you have to guess that what topic I am going to introduce. Yes, Avi.
Ma'am, may I guess? Ma'am, is it in network?
Okay, you are nearly reaching. Can anyone else guess?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, why not? Sure.
Ma'am, it's internet.
It's internet. Actually, you are reaching near about it. So I'm just trying to give you one more clue to you. You are asking for some information from internet. Okay? You write on the Google that I want to get information on global warming. And then how are you getting? You are getting the information in the form of the websites. You request for the information and you get it in the form of websites. Have you ever thought of how these web pages are written? How are they created?
Ma'am,
Which
may I
language is used? Yes.
Ma'am, I think it is HTML.
Wow, great. How do you know? It is HTML. You are absolutely right. Vyom, it's
Ma'am,
you? Yes.
ma'am, actually, I saw in my brother's book when he was in class 6.
Oh, that's something very nice. Vyom, you are correct. It is HTML only. And I know that you must not be having much idea about HTML. So I think I can show you some videos. Where you want to see those videos?
Ma'am, we want to see it on Tata Classage.
Tata Classage. Okay, you want, so should I show you, present you Tata Classage?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so many yes. Can I just know that why is the Tata Classage your first choice?
Ma'am, we would prefer Tata Classage because it is very interactive and it also explains the topics very beautifully. Its pictures and also the way of
I
explaining is very
totally
easy to understand.
agree with you, Rishika. Actually, when you visualize something, the complicated things even becomes easy for you. So I totally agree with your answer that Tata Classic video should be the first choice for each one of us, because in these days when I'm teaching you online, Tata Classic is the complete package wherein you can get all the information in the form of a video. You can get quizzes also. So many attractive, questions are there. So I think this is the best choice. So we will go for that only. So I'm presenting my screen for Tata Classic video.
We all use internet almost every day. We use internet for sending emails, ticket booking, searching for information, or for online shopping. Have you ever wondered how this information comes onto your computer screen? Let us understand a few basic things. When multiple computer users are connected together, they can share data files among themselves. Together, it is known as a computer network. When multiple computer networks are connected together globally through a wide area network or WAN, it is then called as Internet or simply Net. Well, we can also say that Internet is a network of networks connecting billions of computer users from more than 190 countries across the globe. We use Internet to share information, news, opinions, pictures, and many more.
Okay, here I am pausing my video just to tell you, you have seen what is network. Basically, the network is the interconnection of two or more computers for the purpose of sharing information and sharing resources. And when we talk about internet, internet is basically a network of networks where you can share information, news, opinions, and pictures. Similarly, as when you are connected in your class to each other, you can share your tiffins, you can share your notebooks, you can share your data, you can share your information with each other. Okay, you can even share your resources also. It is all possible when you are connected to each other. So internet is basically, it is very advantageous to us because using internet we can share information, news, opinions, and pictures. Now let's see it further.
On the internet platform, information systems are distributed. It is also called as World Wide Web or WWW or web in short. Information on the internet appears on different web pages. Web pages can be differentiated by their unique web-based address that is also known as the Uniform Resource Locator or URL. While accessing a web page, you can navigate from one link to other linked pages. These links are known as hyperlinks. User can insert hyperlinks on text, images, video, or graphics like buttons menu. Now the question is how a web page is displayed on an internet browser. A particular type of computer-based language known as Hypertext Markup Language or HTML describes how a web page should be displayed by a web browser. HTML is a documentation language to mark content of a web page like heading, titles, images, fonts, and so on. It is machine independent and all internet browsers accept the content written in HTML.
Okay, so before I move to the next video, I just wanted to make something clear before you. When you request for any information on internet, you know, server store files and information in the form of websites. And these websites consist of millions of pages which are known as web pages. And these web pages, they are containing text, graphic, video, audio, and link to other pages too. And these links are known as hyperlink. Okay. But the question comes how these web pages are created. One language is required. So the language which is used to create these web pages is HTML. So basically the HTML is the most widely used language which is used to design web contents for the internet. It is the most widely used language which is used to design web contents for the internet, and the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Now I'm just dividing each word of it, I'm just segregating each word of it. Hypertext. Hypertext, what the hypertext is? It is actually an ordinary text. But what the special feature it has, it can link you to another document. Similarly, when you want to move from one page to another page, you require to link those pages, and for that you are creating the hyperlink, and these hyperlink can be in the form of a picture, it can be in the form of a text, and as you have seen in this video, you can see just now here this read more button, it is also a hyperlink which may be taking you to further more information about auction bidding. So this is also a hyperlink here. Okay, this read more is also a hyperlink here, and this is the URL of the website which you can see. And even this image can also be used as a hyperlink, clicking on which you could be taken to another web page. I hope I am clear till here. Let's see the further more video and then I will ask you some more questions. So right now I have told you three things that how the web pages are created. Web pages are created using HTML language, and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now HTML basically this full form is made up of two words, hypertext and markup language. What is hypertext? It is actually seen to be an ordinary text, but it has a special feature of linking to other documents or the web pages. Okay, so when you click on this hyperlink, it will take you to another web page. One more important example of hyperlink I wanted to give you these days. Just now you have seen I have given you a meeting link, and this meeting link is also a hyperlink. It is linking you to my Google Meet. At times during the classes, you get the attendance link. It is linking you to the attendance form. You are getting the link in the form of a test also. When the test would be conducted in your class, you are getting link, and that link is connecting you to the Google form, and the responses will automatically reach to the teachers. So these are the links which you have already been using since by the time you have started attending the online classes. Then there is one more term which is left, that is markup language. Why is it known as markup language? Because it is a language that uses special symbols that are known as tags. To mark up a text document, and it instructs the browser how to display the text. It actually, the way you are writing those tags for creating the web page, accordingly your web page will look like. So now I am progressing to the next video. Just see to it. Achha, before that, one more question, if you could answer that question. There was one term that is written here. I could notice. It was browser independent. Can anyone guess the meaning of browser independent?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Arhan, please.
Ma'am, browser independent means that, ma'am, it works on any browser, like
Yes,
Google Chrome or
Aryan,
Mozilla.
you are absolutely right. It can be executed on any browser, wherever in any of the browser you want to see your web page, you can see, be it Mozilla, be it Google Chrome, you can see your web page on any of the browser. That is why this term is actually created, browser independent. You could notice it here. This is browser independent. This term is written here. All right, moving to the next video. See to it.
If you look at an HTML code, you can see that there is a difference between normal writing and HTML code. You can see an HTML code contains letters or words within angular brackets. These words or letters within angular brackets are called tags. While writing an HTML code, if you open a tag, then closing the tag is always mandatory.
So just one thing to notice here, you can see H4 and the slash H4 is a tag. So you can see this tag is basically instructing this line to appear as a heading. Okay. And you can notice one more thing. Once this tag is open, it is closed also. And how are you closing the tag? By just putting slash before it. And all the tags are enclosed in the angular brackets, if you could notice. So you can see the tags are basically instructing how your web page will look like. And one thing which is mandatory, if the tag is open, it needs to be closed. So this is very clear from this particular slide of the video. Yes. Sorry, not this. I have to replay it again.
If you look at an HTML code, you can see that there is a difference between normal writing and HTML code. You can see an HTML code contains letters or words within angular brackets. These words or letters within angular brackets are called tags. While writing an HTML code, if you open a tag, then closing the tag is always mandatory. Closing a tag should contain a / within the angular brackets. A combination of opening and closing tags along with the contents is called an element. In order to prepare and view new HTML page, you can use Notepad editor or any other text editor on a computer. You need to type the HTML code in the editor and save the code with the .html extension. In this case, the file name is saved as firstprogram.html. You can open an HTML file using internet browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and or Google Chrome. To open file in Firefox browser, click on the file in menu bar at the top of the Firefox window. It will show a drop-down list. Select Open File. That will open the Open File dialog box. Now select the desired file. Alternatively, double-click on the file and the file will be opened in the browser.
Okay, so right now you have seen one more video. So can anyone just summarize that what we have seen in this video? Yes, Rishika.
In this video, we saw that how the HTML code is written.
Okay, and what the next thing
And
we have
about
seen,
the
Rishika?
tag.
And about the tag. Okay. Is something missing in Rishika's statement? Have we seen something else? Have we noticed something else in this video? Yes,
And
Shreyas.
also the different browsers were also explained.
Yes, Shreyas, please.
Ma'am, also this video explained us that with what extension an HTML file is saved in our computer, and it showed us through the computer screen that how can we save the HTML file.
Very good, Shreyansh. You have understood each and everything. So I'm just summarizing it with this slide, that what we have learned in this video. Just see to this presentation. I hope it would be visible to you. So basically we have, just a second. Okay, moving to the one slide. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to create a web page using HTML editor. Okay. So first of all, you need to open any text editor, whether it is Notepad or WordPad. Then you will type the HTML code on Notepad window. Next, you will save your file on the desired location with the extension .html, be it C:, D:, wherever, whichever drive you want to use. And once your program is created and you have saved, now the question comes is to view an HTML document. Then how will you view an HTML document? To view an HTML document, you need to open any web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Now this is very well clear to everyone. You can enter the letter for the drive in which your HTML file is present. And then what will happen? As soon as you will press the enter key, the directory and files on that drive will be displayed. You will click on the HTML file that is yours, and the file will be displayed in the Chrome window and your web page will be there. So this is how you can create a web page using HTML. Okay, now over to your progress. This is my site. You have seen the video. You have, I have explained it also. I just wanted to know the performance of the class. So I'm just sharing my screen for this Mentimeter. Just tell me how much have you understood. Code is 8209314. 8209314. Children, just fast. Very good. One is 100%, one is below 60%. Now 100% bar is reaching high. That's something very nice. You all have understood. You all are saying you are understanding. That is something very nice. 6 children have understood 100%. That is something very good. Great. Yes, many more can be there. Yes. Okay. Code is 8209314. Join fast, children. Hurry up. Very good. Very good. Very good. So seeing this progress, I could get to know. Okay, maybe you are understanding the topic very well. But you know, I cannot be satisfied with this only. I want to judge your individual performance also. And for that, I will be sharing quiz of Tata Classes. Okay. So just wait. I'm going to share the quiz of Tata Classes. Wait for a second. Okay. Just be ready. Are you ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you say yes, then I could get to know, okay, you all are there. At times I'm feeling in the online class that nobody is there, but you are there. Very good. And now I'm going to present the quiz before you. Okay. So here is a quiz. But now I want to select the children also. Is my screen shared? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So I am spinning this wheel. Shreyansh, it's your turn, dear.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Ready. Okay, you are ready with the quiz. Okay, the question is, which of the following is the correct syntax of HTML tag?
Ma'am, the correct answer is option B.
Oh, great. I think you are right. So I'm submitting your answer. Yes, he is right. Why is he right? Because in this answer, you could see the HTML tag is open, and after writing the statement, the HTML tag is closed again by putting slash before the tag. And tags are also enclosed in angular bracket. Good, Shreyansh. Okay, now the next question. So I'm submitting this answer. Now the next question goes to, who is the lucky person? I think it is Adit Gopal, but
Yes, ma'am.
I think due to connectivity issue, Adit Gopal has left. So I'm just.
I'm here.
Oh,
I
you are
came.
here. Very good, very good. You are there, then it's so good. Can you just tell me, Adit, which of the following is the correct expansion for HTML?
Ma'am, it is, I think it is B.
It is
Hypertext.
B, hypertext markup language. You are saying B. You are sure about your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are sure, so I am just submitting your answer. And this answer is 100% correct. Though the question seems to me confusing because all the options look like same, but you gave the correct answer. Adit, so good. Very good. Well done. Now, the next question goes to Shreyas Rastogi. Is he here?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas. Shreyash, can you answer this? Shreyash, are you there? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shreyas, next question for you. Which of the following set of markup is a building block in HTML?
Ma'am, the answer is D, tags.
Oh, you are so prompt. That means you are learning everything so well. Yes, the answer is tags because tags will only decide how your web page will look like. Your answer is 100% correct. Submitting your answer. All right. Now the next question goes to Aika Singh. Is Aika Singh here?
No, ma'am.
Oh, she left the meeting, maybe because of connectivity issue. So I'm just
Yeah.
spinning the wheel again. Oh, it comes to Aika again. Alfisha Imran. Alfisha Imran.
Yes, ma'am, I'm
It's
there.
not here. So Alfisha, you can answer the next question. And the next question before you is this. Which of the following softwares can be used to write an HTML document?
Ma'am, I think the answer of this question is, ma'am, Notepad.
Notepad. You may be right, but let me submit your answer. Oh, it shows wrong. All right. Actually, the correct answer is C, because we can use Notepad and WordPad both as A and B. You can use WordPad and Notepad both as the text editor for writing an HTML document. So both A and B is the most appropriate answer. You might not be wrong, Alfisha, but the thing
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
because since both the options are given, so we need to take both in account. So no worry, you are
Okay.
right somewhere, but the most appropriate answer includes Notepad and WordPad both. All right. Now the next chance is to goes to okay, Shreyas Rastogi. Shreyas Rastogi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next chance is to you. Is for you. Which of the following tools is used to run an HTML file?
Ma'am, the answer is A, web browsers.
You are always very, very prompt. The answer is absolutely correct. It is web browser. I am submitting your answer. And you are 100% correct, because you have seen, observe in the video, the web browsers are used to run an HTML file. So here you have seen that how this quiz is beneficial to you. Okay. Now the thing is, there are still some things left. What those things can be? Can anyone guess what it can be? No? You cannot guess?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, the most important thing is homework. Okay, the most important thing is homework. And to give the homework, can you see these worksheets of Tata Classage?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, usually what we do, we give these worksheets in offline classes as a printable. But here the printable possibility is not here. So first of all, I want to discuss these questions with you, and then I would be giving these questions as a live worksheet wherein you can write the answers, you can submit your answers, and I can check it later on. Okay, now the question I will be asking to those children who didn't get a chance to speak even once. So the first question goes to Anshika. Anshika, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anshika. Now the question to you, Anshika, what is meant by the term HTML? Anshika, the question to you, what is meant by the term HTML? Anshika, are you there? Can you answer?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, I'm telling.
Just tell it whatever is in your mind, Anshika. Please tell it fast.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, HTML is hypertext markup language, which is a standard markup language for documents to design web pages.
Very good. It is a language which is used to design web pages. So good, you have answered. Now, who is the child didn't get the chance? Avnish Gupta and Arya Singh Gautam. So first I am asking to Avnish. First I am asking to Avnish, followed by Arya. Okay. Avnish, the question to you is this: what are the extension names of HTML files?
Yes, ma'am. The extension names of HTML files are .html and .htm.
That's absolutely a correct answer. And question number 4. I am skipping question number 2 because structure I have not told you in detail. So I am going to question number 4. Question number 4 goes to Arya. Arya, list any 2 common names of web browsers. Arya.
Ma'am, two common are Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox.
I think you are absolutely correct. And the best part of this sheet is you can even view the answers. So thanks to Tata Classes, it was really a great help in this time of pandemic where I'm not able to, I remember the days in the month of March and April when I was not able to conduct the offline classes and I didn't have the book. Tata Classes was a great help at that time because I could able to teach through Tata Classes video. I could able to get the content on Tata Classes. Quizzes were there and everything was so systematically done on Tata Classes that my children were not feeling like that they are not in offline classes. They were constantly in the touch with the teachers. They were constantly in the touch with the syllabus. Nothing was left untouched. So thanks to Tata Classes app also. And one thing more before I leave, I am just presenting my screen for the live worksheets that I have prepared for you. I am dropping its link on your chat box. So this is the link which I have posted where the same set of questions which we have discussed today, you will get in the form of a worksheet. So where you will write your name, class and section. Question number 1 right now you can skip because I have not given you the detailed information of HTML today. But naturally question number 2, 3 and 4, you can do it easily. Am I clear? This homework?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Everybody will do this homework?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very nice. Now coming back to the meeting. So homework given, topic explained, everything done. So just to take your feedback, I am presenting my screen. Just be ready with your Mentimeters. So it is saying, how was today's class? The code is 5595909. 5595909. Again, I am repeating 5595909. And the code is displayed before you here also. So you can use it. Superb, fun, amazing, interactive, best. Tata Classes is best. Very good. Love the class. Fun, fantastic. My teacher is amazing. I love it. Okay, so this is the feedback of the class. I am actually liking it very much. And now I want to leave the class if everything is clear to you. Hope that you will study from your textbooks also. And if you have any doubt, you will ask me questions in the next class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Alfisha, please.
Ma'am, today I want to share one thing with you, ma'am, honestly.
Yes, please, Alfisha.
Ma'am, when you start this chapter HTML, ma'am, I was little bit like what would HTML would be. But now when you show us the video, everything is so clear in my mind. And ma'am, the video was also very good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Alfisha, for your lovely words. Actually, I am also I also agree with you because in this period of time when I am unable to meet you people, it is actually a blessing for each one of us that we have such app also that is provided by our school. City Montessori is providing us such app where which is a complete package to teach, because at times we feel helpless that how do we present our screen, what do we present our screen, and it has all the things available, be it video, be it graph, be it quizzes, be it printables, everything is there. So I am also so happy. So leaving this class on this happy note. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.